Hey girl, come on in. I'm just in here cleaning up my studio right now, getting ready to make some waist beads, and I wanted to bring you along. So, for those of you who are new here, I am Renee. This channel actually started as me talking about gig work and basically showing you how I did it. And that was back in 2020. But believe it or not, it's turned into something totally different now. As y'all see that I do a lot of slow living, fitness after 40, things around the house. Just it's funny how life just shifts. But I actually have a whole other side to me, and I've been making waist beads since 2020. That's been my small business this whole time. And I don't usually talk about it much on here, but I wanted to bring you into that part of my world too. I make these for everybody, every size, every woman. But if I'm honest, the woman that I'm always thinking about when I'm making these is a woman like me, over 40. You may be rebuilding a relationship with your body, maybe just wanting a little reminder that you're still soft, still feminine, and still worth celebrating. So that's mainly why I started making these. So this is the part that I actually love the most about making these is picking the colors and deciding what this strand is actually gonna feel like once it's complete. And at 40 and over, I feel like we stop giving ourselves permission to feel pretty or feminine or even sexy. Like that's only for younger women. And I just can't buy that. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not just for younger women. I think that's exactly why I make these. I also like the fact that it gives me that opportunity to just have my quiet time actually. Between running a business, being a wife, just where it's just me and the beads, basically just grounding for me. If you're interested in waist beads, I'll leave the information below if you're curious about them. But truly, I'd be sitting here doing this even if I never sold a single one. That's just how much I actually love these. Like being able to create and it's like a form of expression through beats. Like how people bring their vision to life through music. It may be through storytelling. It may be through art. And I bring mine together through waist beats because everything is about an emotion or a feeling. Whatever it is that you're doing, whether it's music or, like I said, art, poetry, anything like that. And so this is just my side of it. right, so that's a wrap on this set. If you're new here, I hope that you'll stick around. I talk about all kinds of things here on this channel, whether it's slow living, fitness, just home life. And now you know there's a little bit of bead making in the mix too. So, so thanks for sitting with me for a bit today, and I'll see you in the next one.